So when I was in school, I was bullied a lot. I was an introvert. I wouldn't talk a lot, and my teachers felt that there's something wrong with me because I just don't talk. I had 1 or 2 friends in school, not a lot, and I felt that I couldn't fit in. So I tried to find my passion and purpose somewhere else, and I found it in books. And I found it in learning. I did well enough to get a scholarship, but I felt that there's more to life than that. I grew up in a family of stock investors, and every day, all they were talking about were which stocks to buy, and I got curious about that. So to put a long story short, I eventually got into trading after I finished high school, and in my first year, I blew a lot of accounts, and I was discouraged. I wanted to give up. Before I got a scholarship, I failed many tests as well, and I knew that before I achieve any form of success, I need to fail again and again and again. That was what school taught me. So in my first year of trading, I made tons of mistakes. Every mistake that you think of, I have made it. But the difference between me and other people is that whenever I make a mistake, no matter how discouraging it was, I pick myself back up and I would learn from it. I would wake up every single morning and I would devote every single waking hour into my craft. And I was determined to learn every single little thing that I can about the world of trading, about the world of investing. Even though back then I was in university, I was learning about the stock market, derivatives market, currency markets. It was a finance degree. But I found that a lot of things that I learned in school were not practical enough for me. I'll be sitting in class and all I would be thinking about is charts. I would be thinking about charts, about trading. My friends in class, they would talk about jobs, internships, and I'll be thinking about how can I become my own boss without having to answer to anybody. How can I be in full control of my life? And because of that, I still couldn't fit in. When I was in school, once in a while I'll join university competition where I'll compete with students from other Singapore universities and schools. In my first 5 competitions, I would lose, and I would lose really badly. But I told myself, you know what? Let's learn from this and get back up. Just like you always did. I'll go back to the drawing board to study my mistakes again and again and again. I'll join another competition and then I'll lose again. But every single time when I lose, I would go back and talk to my mentors. And I'll ask him, what did I do wrongly? And every single time I fall, I'll get back up again and again and again. And when I was in my final semester in university, it was my last chance to do something for my school. And I decided, you know what? I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna do my best. And if I fail, at least I have tried. There are no regrets. Some of my friends, they will go on holidays, they will go relax. I would work on my trading day and night. And after many months, days, early mornings, late nights, third pillar, fundamental safety of funds. No, I know a lot of beginners. If you